Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply, and welcome to episode 12 of our Hot Products in a Hot Minute for the month of March. Today I have with me Vidacak from Schneider Electric, and he's here to tell us all about the Lexium Cobot. So without further ado, why don't you get us going?
Thank you very much. Cobots, as their name says, are collaborative robots that are intended to work right next to the operator. The cost of ownership is very low because they're easy to program, they're safe, they do not require any additional safety products or measures to be put around the robot itself. Programming is very easy and the cost of ownership is low. So end users, not only OEMs, but end users can easily program these robots. We offer two types of controllers. One is for end users that are easily to integrate and have a full control of the robot on its own. And one is for OEMs, where you can incorporate the control as a part of your logic and motion controller. So that gives us ability to reduce the cost even more. The full range of our robots covers the capacity of 3 kilograms all the way to 18 kilograms, and with the reach up to 1.3 meters, gives us ability to cover a wide range of applications, from product placement all the way to welding and wet environments. For more information, please contact your Standard Electric account manager if you would like to know more.
Thank you so much for sharing all that about the collaborative robot called Cobot from Schneider, the Lexium Cobot. So as he said, if you want to know more, we have specialists, we have Schneider specialists on staff, engineers who can help you. Your account manager can help you, so just reach out to them. Please like, subscribe, and follow us. And we will talk to you again in the month of April. See you then. Have a good week.